What is going down, YouTube? It is so good to see you today. Today, we're going to go over kind of a two-part method, but this is 100% free. Doesn't cost anything to do. It just takes a little bit of time and takes a little bit, maybe pizzazz, a little personality, but literally anybody can do it. And I want to show you, I don't have facts or figures, but I'm going to show you how one person is making a killing by teaching what he knows to other people and making multiple streams of income from this. So if you didn't already know, I talk about it all the time in the videos here. Me and my wife have an eBay business. And when I wanted to get into eBay, the first thing I did was I jumped on YouTube and I frantically searched for everything I possibly could. I bought 4 or 5 courses. I wanted to be an eBay expert. And that's exactly what I did. I became an eBay expert. One of the guys that was paramount in this is his name is Parris, right? And he is the rockstar flipper. If you're on eBay, Amazon, if you do that kind of stuff, Casey's got a real good program. I highly suggest you check him out. We're not going into eBay, but I just want to show you what he has done, right? So he has built up his YouTube channel up to 90,000 subscribers. Now, I know you're already like moaning, turning your head. He didn't do this overnight. He was already passionate about selling and flipping, and he was already making really good money from eBay. So this was just something that he wanted to do on top of what he was already having success with. So he wanted to show other people his success and his journey, and this is what came of it, right? So he has an amazing YouTube channel where he gives really, really good updates on things, really keeps up to date on the whole resellers the community. And, each one of these videos obviously have a list of his different things that he uses to take pictures. All these are Amazon affiliate links. Plus he has a course that he's selling, right? And then he sells specific, what we call bolos, be on the lookout for. So he knows, he's did the research. He has an idea what is selling on eBay, right? So he releases bolos every so often that are, $25. And it's a list of like 100 bolos. And these are 100 products that'll make you money if you pick them up. And they're not common, but they're not something that you couldn't find out in the real world. Right. So he has did a fantastic job of really taking something that is kind of hard to monetize. Like, let's face it, if you're getting into reselling, this is like, I don't want to call it bottom of the barrel, but it's really like, it's one of it's like I call it the second oldest profession in the world behind prostitution. You literally buy something for low and sell it for high. Right. So, but people that are doing this are usually, they're pretty penny pinchers. They're value driven, and it's very difficult to get resellers to open up their pocketbook unless you are giving them immense value. And that's what Casey has done here, right? So people are really, really digging what he has to do, right? So much so that he actually has a Facebook group that he has built up. And this Facebook group has I believe it's over 108,000 members, as you can see right there, right? And he does an amazing job, twofold. And the second one, it might be even more powerful than the first one, right? And let me explain. Casey monetizes this group through promoting his course and that kind of stuff. But he is really, really clever. And if you watch right here, this is an Amazon associate link, right? He's even saying this is an ad. This is not my listing. And he's telling you this should be a decent seller for the summer. A new season comes out in July, and these should spike in popularity again. And it's the Stranger Things Monopoly, right? With Amazon Associates, every time that you click on the link, regardless if you buy the product, you save a cookie, and the next thing that you buy within a certain amount of time is either 24 or 30 days, depending on the cookie, he's going to get a percentage of it, right? And if you look through here, here's an example of him promoting his YouTube channel, and then here's another one where he's promoting an eBay something or another, right? And this is through eBay's affiliate program, I believe. Let's see if I can see here. Yeah, the eBay Partner Network. So he can get a commission off of this. And he's been, I mean, you got another one right there. You got another one right there. You know, he does this over and over again. Here's another eBay one and another eBay one. So, I mean, I could literally go through this, and then he promotes his course and his website or whatever. So he does an absolute knockdown job of taking something so simple and really building it out. I mean, he has an email list that, I mean, I'm on his email list. I get email from him, and he emails you anytime he releases a video, anything that's new, that's in the news. I mean, he's really on the pulse of everything, and he does it 100% right. So this is a method that you guys can do, and it doesn't matter what you're interested in. He's literally just, he was interested in something. He created a business out of it. He went to YouTube and created a community on not one but two different platforms, and he uses the one platform to feed the other and vice versa. So he'll get people off of his YouTube channel into his Facebook group, and you know, he pushes his links in there. Now I understand that, I accidentally clicked something. I understand that you know, not a lot of reach in a Facebook group anymore, but if it's pretty active, I mean, he's still on each one of his posts, he's probably reaching about 10% of the people in here. So even if he was reaching 5%, I mean, that's still like what, 5,000 people is what he's reaching. Every time he posts something, 5,000 people will see it. Let's just say 100 people click on that link. You know, that's 100 people. Next time that they go to buy Amazon something or another, he's getting a commission for it. So he's probably, you know, end over fist. And each one of his videos also have those same kind of affiliate links for his, like, his camera setup and his this setup and his that setup. So literally, he's probably been making a killing from his, and since he's also in the business niche, he's probably making a pretty good income on his ads that he has on his channels, right? So he's literally built out a nice little empire here, and I just think that it's an amazing job by Casey and his staff and his team. And if you want to know more about eBay and selling online, I can make some videos about that. But this is the premier guy to check out. He is where I learned probably 90% of what I know about flipping, and have made myself into a successful reseller, mostly on his back. So I hope you guys really like this content. If you do, make sure you subscribe, like the video, tell your friends, tell your mom, tell everybody in the possible how awesome this is. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.